Hi there and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Saffron and Sage commercial quality cookie sheet pan set, perfect for all your baking needs. These heavy-duty aluminum half-sheet pans measure 18 by 13 inches and resist rust, warping, and peeling thanks to their thick gauge and reinforced steel rim. They handle temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit without twisting, ensuring even heat distribution for perfect baking results every time. The set includes a removable baking and cooling rack, making it easy to prepare large batches and versatile meals like roasted meats or sheet pan dinners. Made from natural aluminum without coatings, these pans are non-toxic, food-safe, and simple to clean. Whether you're baking cookies, breads, or roasting meats, this durable pan set helps you create delicious meals and lasting family memories. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.